Welcome to our latest offering here in Lakeside at Lakes of Windermere. I'm Andre Kressler with Kressler Real Estate, and today I'd like to introduce you to this rare opportunity to own this well-kept 3-bedroom and 2-bath condo in Windermere. As soon as you enter 11434 Jasper Terrace, you're greeted by an open floor plan with plenty of natural light. A separate dining area will make entertaining a joy for you and all your guests. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, upgraded cabinetry, crown molding, and granite countertops with breakfast bar. This split-level floor plan has the main bedroom on one side of the condo. This corner unit features the other 2 oversized bedrooms on the opposite side of the unit. You will enjoy entertaining or relaxing outdoors on your private lanai. There is no reason to leave Lakeside at Lakes of Windermere. This community offers carefree living with complete lawn maintenance, internet, cable TV, fitness center, sand volleyball court, and even a community center to host all your guests. Make this beautiful home yours and add it to your investment portfolio. Hurry to give us a call and schedule your private showing today.